How to change theme in Pocket Broker application. Welcome to Wake&Tech. If you are on Pocket Broker and want to give the app a fresh new look, then in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the theme in Pocket Broker. The first thing you want to do is to open the Pocket Broker app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you open up this expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the settings, select Theme. Now, under Theme, you'll see two different options, that is Light Theme and the Blue Theme. If you select Light Theme, you'll see a white interface in the background, whereas if you select the Blue Theme, you'll see a darker interface. Select the preferred theme from the available choices, and then once you are done, you can head back to the home screen, and there you have successfully changed the theme in your Pocket Broker application. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.